Welcome back. We are ready for lesson 6. Lesson 6 of module 6. I know, right? And of course, no, we're not going over the sprint every day. I don't think. I don't know. It's great practice because these are the problems that you should be able to, you just know these ones. They just live in your head rent free and they're there forever. And, it's just good practice. It's excellent practice. It's called fluency practice. See? It says practice, fluency, learning how to go through this. So, Starry Night, page 105. I know it's a little bit hard to see. The digits are 105. 105 in your Starry Night book. It looks like this, and its directions are to write the unknown number. Pay attention to the equal sign. Remember, equal is not a period. It does not mean stop. It means balance, symmetry, same. This is the same as that. The math done over here creates a value that is the same as the value of the math done over here. All right, so we're going to put 60 seconds on the clock, and we are, as always, going to do our best. We're not striving for completion. We're striving for effort. Best effort does not mean that you necessarily finish. 5 right is always better than 30 wrong. All right, so let's put a minute on the clock. On your mark, get set, go. All right. We heard that little tiny bell, and it indicates to us that time is up, which means stop. And we're going to go ahead and check our work and see how we did. Come on. All right, so let's go ahead and check our work. Write the unknown number. Pay attention to the equal sign. Ooh, so we're going to be mindful of its location. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 9, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9. Top of column 2. Question number 16, 9. Is equal to 6 plus 3. 9, 9, 9, 9. 8, 7, 9, 9, 9, 19, 19, 9, 5, 4. Whew. All right, so going ahead and checking, counting how many we got correct. I think I got them all right, but let me know if I didn't. All right, guys, so what whole was most common? Did we see the most times on this sprint? 7, 8, or 9? 9. We saw 9 so many times. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. Well, let's see what else we can draw our attention to. How about right here? 1, 2, 3. What happened in 1, 2, 3? Yes, we are increasing by 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Great work. And I I think that's all I have for this. Let's go ahead and continue our lesson. Great job on the sprint, guys. Let's go ahead and move to our application problem, which, as always, is in our Learn Book on page, today, 29. Today we're on page 29, Learn Book, blue trim, blue number, and it reads, Nikel has 12 toy cars. Willie has 4 toy cars. When Nikel and Willie play, how many toy cars do they have? Nikel and Willie are playing together. How many toy cars do they have? Meaning, are they like, no, that's mine, no, that's mine? Or are they bringing their things together? They're bringing them together. So are we adding or subtracting? I got it this time. We are adding. Good. Let's go ahead and read that problem one more time. It says, Nikel has 12 toy cars. Willie has 4 toy cars. When Nikel and Willie play, how many toy cars do they have? Let's find out. All right, great work. And we were able to see that either using a double tape diagram or a single tape diagram to put them together, that they have 16 cars. Nikel's 12 plus Willie's 4, they have 16 cars. And you can use a single tape diagram or a double tape diagram to represent Nikel and Willie's cars that they play with. Yay! All right, guys, what we're looking at today is the values of these numbers, the values. And we've seen it before with these little alligators. So which number is greater? 100 or 50? And they're like, wait a minute, I thought we didn't put 2 digits in the tens in one place. We don't typically, however, we're not looking at the next block in first grade. So we're going to put these 10 tens together here. We're going to leave these 10 tens in the tens place because we are not dealing with the hundreds place yet. We're just doing the tens and the ones, okay? But really, yes, this is 100. So 10 tens is 100. But my question still to you is, which number is greater? 100 or 50? Which number is greater? 100. Excellent. Now the question is, which symbol should I use? Which symbol should I use? This one or that one? This one, the alligator, always eats the bigger number. But it's not really an alligator. That's just what we call it to help us, make the connection to which way this symbol should be opened. So think of it. So let's think of it. This is how I think of it. So this is an equal sign, right? This means that things are the same. It means things are the same. So if I wanted to depict, make it closer, fit, nope, shadows. So if I wanted to depict greater, see how I'm like moving the top bar of my equal sign? To eat, because we want to continue reading from left to right. So we can't just say 50 is less than 100 because I don't start reading over here. Not in English, I don't. We go from left to right, top to bottom, across the page. So if we want 100 to be larger than 50, then we need to be able to read the symbol as greater than. We want to read the symbol as greater than. So it's greater than. If this is greater than, then what is this symbol called? Less than. And what about this one over here? Equal to, meaning that they are the same. They're the same value. Let's practice some together. And what we're going to do is we're going to write the word answer and the symbol answer. We're going to be on page 204 in our Succeed book. Page 204. You can tell my head's in the way. 204 in our Succeed homework book so that we can practice. We're going to write the word answer and the number answer. We might even draw a couple pictures to help us out. Now, this one says 42 blank, 1, 10, 2, 1. Well, let's fill in these blanks first with these values, and then we'll figure out how to complete the sentence. So we said 42 blank, 1, 10, 2, 1s. What is the value of 1, 10, 2, 1s? 12. It's 12. So the question at this point is, what goes in the middle? 42 is blank 1, 10, 2 ones. 42 is blank 12. 42 blank 12. It's greater than because there's more tens. So 42 is greater than 1, 10, 2 ones. And the symbol that matches that, which allows us to read from left to right as greater than, is the little alligator going this way. 42 is greater than 12. What about, this one I think we're going to draw. This one I'm going to change my color too. 6 tens and 7 ones, blank, 5 tens, 17 ones. Let's draw this. Let's draw 6 tens, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6 tens, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, all well and good, all well and good. 6 tens, 7 ones, 6 tens, 7 ones. No problem. 5 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. And 17 ones. I'm thinking I noticed something here. These things are a little bit, they're loose right now, but we're going 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Why did I circle those? What happened that made me circle those? It's a group of 10. It is a group of 10 that exists and lives within those 17 ones. They just weren't bundled up. So I went ahead and just snatched them up, bundled them up. So now instead of 5 tens, I have how many tens? 6 tens, and still how many ones? How many? There's still some loose ones up there. How many? 7, correct. 7 loose ones. So now 6 10 7 ones is blank 5 10 17 ones. Well, 67 blank 67. Well, that means 6 10 7 ones is equal to 5 10 17 ones. And that equal sign we've been using forever. We've been using that forever. We know what the equal sign is. All right, let's look at the next one. Letter C reads 37 blank 73. 37 blank 73. Oh, they're the same, right? Yeah, no, see, it's 3 and a 7 and a 7 and 3 and a 7 and a 7 and a 3. Yeah, they're the same, right? It's like adding. We just mix them up however we want to. They're the same, yes? Oh, they're not the same? Because the value of the place that each digit is in gives us crucial information because 337 is really 30 and 7, while 73 is really 70 and 3. Which means 37 is less than 73 because 30 is less than 70. 37 is less than 73. 37 is less than 73. It matters, yes, because we read from left to right. So we need to make our number sentence, this is still a number sentence, allow us to do that and be correct. We can't just say 73 is bigger than 37 because 73 is not on the left side. We're not going to start reading over here. Not in English, we're not. We're going to start reading over here on the left like we always do. Let's do the next one. 2 tens, 14 ones is blank 4 ones and 2 tens. Does this seem like one we should draw a picture for? Yeah, let's draw a picture. Okay, let's draw a picture. So 2 tens. So 1 10, 2 10, 14 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! I heard it. 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so as soon as I heard it, I was like, oh, that's a group of 10. As soon as I said 10, it's like, ah! Circle and keep going. So instead of 2 tens, I really have how many groups of 10? 3. Good. I have 3 groups of 10, and there's still some loose ones. How many ones are there in this? 4 4. There are 4 ones. So it's really 34. So this side, the left side, the number on the left is 34. 2 10s and 14 ones is equal to 34. That's that value. So now we're going to draw this one. 4 1s and 2 10s. All right, cool. That's easy. That's 42. 4 1s and 2 10s. That's right. I don't know. I do know. That's wrong. That's wrong. Because notice, so just because it's written this way doesn't mean we don't still have to depict them to show their value. 4 1s. Draw a picture to show what it says. 4 1s, loose little pieces, and 2 10s. 4 1s and 2 10s. When we write that, we're still going to write the 10s first because that is the 10s place. The place that the 10s go in. So 4 1s and 2 10s is 24. So tell me, what goes here? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Greater than. 2 10s, no, just read it as is, don't know. 2 10s, 14 1s is greater than 4 1s and 2 10s. As a number sentence, that is the same as and can be read as 34 is greater than 24. 34 is greater than 24. All right, the last one reads, oh look, see, 9 5 9 5. Bet, cool, done, equal. No, because I didn't read it. I don't know if that's what it says at all, do I? No, not even a little bit. This actually says 9 1s, 5 10s. So let's go ahead and write this number with the 10s in the 10s place and the 1s in the 1s place. So 9 1s and 5 10s is 59. But 9 10s is, so 9 1s, 5 10s, blank 9 10s and 5 1s. Oh, so 9 10s and 5 1s has a value of 95. 9 10s and 5 1s has a value of 95. So reading from left to right, we're going to complete this with 9 1s, 5 10s is less than 9 10s, 5 1s is less than 9 10s, 5 1s. Which symbol matches that? We need to open. If you're going to think about it like an alligator, it's that equal sign. That equal sign that's had its balance shifted. The balance is tilted. It's not even like it's supposed to. It has shifted. It has shifted to show that the value over here is greater. And when we're reading from left to right, we need to be able to read that 59 is less than 95. 59 is less than 95. 59 is less than 95. The cool thing about number sentences is math is amazing because it transcends language. The numbers and the symbols and the fact that they always mean the same thing is a pretty amazing feature of math. Let's go ahead and get you set to do some on your own. And get you set with page number 31. Page number 31. It gives you the opportunity to utilize your symbols. You draw pictures if you need to. Use your place value. 100. That thing that fell on the floor. Your chart if you your hundredths chart if you need to. You do what you have to do. You do what you have to do so you can find the correct answer. Utilizing your symbols. Recognizing that it's not just an alligator eating the bigger number. It's not just an alligator eating the bigger number. We are communicating that we're reading from left to right. This is greater than that. This is less than that. Or they have the same value. Complete your problem set on page 31. 31 in your Learn book. Blue Trim Learn book. When you are done with your problem set, come back to your Nearpod so you can complete your exit ticket. I split this up for you again. 4 slides, choose and circle the words that make the sentence true. And then notice there are more blanks. You have to choose, you have to circle, and you have to write the number sentence. Symbols are part of your number sentence. Symbols have meaning and value. It's part of your answer. If there's no symbol, there is no answer. It's just a random number, it's just chilling. It has no meaning. It just doesn't. You have to fill in all the blanks. You have to do all the things. Yes, all the things. Okay, guys. But no, that's all I have for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. I really want to know so I can be a better support to you. But that's all I have. That's all I have. Unless you need something, let me know. And I'll see you guys later.